Today, I'll be sharing the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaners of 2025. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, high pile carpets, hardwood floors, or just want to keep your space spotless with minimal effort, these advanced models offer features like powerful suction, smart mapping, self-emptying docks, and even mopping capabilities. From budget-conscious choices to full-featured flagships, let's explore the best robot vacuums that are changing the cleaning game this year. If you're interested, you'll find the best deals linked in the description below. On number 5, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus. This robot vacuum delivers impressive performance without going overboard on cost or complexity. If you're someone who wants a solid, everyday cleaning solution that doesn't require constant babysitting, this one's absolutely worth considering. It features strong suction that picks up dirt, crumbs, and pet hair across both carpet and hard flooring, and the main brush design does a great job avoiding tangles, a must for pet owners. While it doesn't include a built-in mop, it's compatible with one if you want to add that later down the line. Now, the real winner here is the self-emptying dock. This is a game changer. It lets the vacuum clean for weeks without you having to empty the dustbin manually, which is usually something reserved for more expensive models. Navigation is handled by LiDAR, so it maps your home with high precision. You can set no-go zones, divide rooms, and schedule cleanings all from the app, and it remembers the layout like a pro. It doesn't have advanced AI object recognition, but for the price and reliability, it more than makes up for it. On number 4, Eui X10 Pro Omni. Now, this robot vacuum honestly surprised me with how much tech it packs into such a sleek design. If you're looking for a vacuum and mop combo that's actually smart, like really smart, this one hits the mark. Let's start with its navigation. The AI-driven pathfinding is super impressive. It uses a combination of LiDAR and AI cameras to recognize obstacles, not just avoid them, but identify them. Cords, shoes, even pet messes, it sees them and steers clear. That means fewer rescues and less babysitting. What makes the X10 Pro Omni stand out, though, is its dual mop system. The rotating mops aren't just dragging a damp cloth around, they scrub the floor with real pressure. And when it senses carpet, the mops lift up automatically so nothing gets soaked. The self-washing and drying mop base is also a game changer. No more smelly pads or manual rinsing. As for suction, it's no slouch. The vacuuming power easily handles pet hair, fine dust, and heavier debris. I tested it on rugs and hardwood, and it adapted effortlessly. Plus, the app gives you full control over mapping, schedules, and cleaning modes. It even remembers rooms by name. If you want a premium low-maintenance clean and you're tired of doing the work yourself, the Eufy X10 Pro Omni is like hiring a tiny, tireless cleaning assistant that never complains. Number 3, the Dreame X50 Ultra. It is an all-in-one cleaning beast, and I don't use that word lightly. I've tested a lot of robot vacuums, and this one feels like it was designed for people who want absolutely everything, without compromise. First off, the suction power is insane. It handles thick carpets, pet fur, crumbs, and dust without blinking. But it doesn't just vacuum. The mopping system here is on another level. The pads rotate and apply actual pressure while scrubbing. And the onboard sensors can adjust the pressure depending on the surface. That means it won't just lightly wipe, it cleans. Now here's where it really gets good. The self-maintenance base station. Not only does it auto-empty the dustbin, but it also refills the mop water, washes and dries the mop pads, and even adds cleaning solution. You basically never have to touch anything for weeks. And when I say the mop pads dry with hot air, that's to avoid mildew and odors, which is genius. The navigation system uses AI-powered 3D mapping, recognizing objects in real time. It avoids socks, cables, bowls, even pet poop. Plus, you can create no-go zones and room-specific cleaning settings straight from the app, which, by the way, is super intuitive. If you're looking for the ultimate combo of power, smarts, and low-effort cleaning, the Dreame X50 Ultra checks every box. It's pricey, but honestly, it feels like it earns every cent. On number 2, ECOVACS DEEBOT T50 Pro Omni. This robot vacuum doesn't just clean your floors, it manages itself in ways I didn't even think I needed until I saw it in action. First, let's talk about the mop. It has a retractable dual mop system that lifts automatically when it senses carpet, so you can truly vacuum and mop in the same run without soaking your rugs. And the base station? It doesn't just empty the dustbin, it washes and hot air dries the mop pads, refills the clean water tank, and even adds cleaning solution automatically. Seriously, it's like having a robot butler. It uses TrueDetect 3D obstacle avoidance and laser navigation, which means it doesn't bump into things blindly. It recognizes objects like toys, cables, and pet messes, and reroutes itself intelligently. In my testing, it felt smooth and confident, like it knew where it was going at all times. Performance-wise, it delivers powerful suction that picks up deep debris in carpets while staying gentle on hard floors. The rotating mops add pressure and motion, scrubbing away dried stains, not just smearing them around. Plus, the app lets you create hyper-customized cleaning routines down to mop intensity and suction power in each individual room. What I love the most? You almost forget you own it. You set it up, and it just does its thing. If you want a robot vacuum that truly operates on autopilot with little to no input, the DEEBOT T50 PRO Omni is a dream come true. Number 1. Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra. It isn't just a robot vacuum. It's a full-on home cleaning system disguised as a sleek little machine. If you're the kind of person who wants everything handled, vacuuming, mopping, obstacle avoidance, self-maintenance, this one genuinely does it all. Let's start with the vacuuming. It's equipped with Roborock's dual roller brush system, which means it handles carpets, pet hair, and hard floors with powerful precision. But what really blew me away is the VibraRise 3.0 mopping system. The mop pads don't just drag, they vibrate at high speed to scrub stains effectively, and they automatically lift when carpets are detected. That means you can do a full floor clean carpet and hard floor in one pass without micromanaging anything. And the base station? It's the most advanced I've ever used. It auto-empties the dustbin, washes and hot air dries the mop pads, refills water, and even adds cleaning detergent. Plus, the new extendable mop arms can reach deep into corners and edges, those areas most robots usually miss. Not this one. What's more, it uses AI-powered obstacle recognition with voice alerts, so it actually talks when it detects unusual objects. And yeah, the app control is just as powerful as you'd expect, letting you adjust cleaning zones, suction power, and mop intensity room by room. If you want to completely forget about manual cleaning and still enjoy spotless floors every day, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is honestly in a league of its own. It's the smartest, most thorough robot cleaner I've ever tested, and it absolutely earns the #1 spot. So, there you have it. My top 5 robot vacuums of 2025. Whether you need something smart and budget-friendly or a fully loaded cleaning powerhouse, there's something here for every home and lifestyle. If one of these caught your eye, check out the links in the description to learn more. And hey, if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest, experience-based product picks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.